Hi everyone. Today I'll be making Amish oatmeal pie. What all goes into the Amish oatmeal pie? 1 1/4 cups brown sugar packed, 3/4 cup old-fashioned rolled oats, 3/4 cup milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 3 large eggs beaten, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter, room temperature, 1 1/2 teaspoons vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 unbaked pie shell, and I just have this frozen one, and vanilla ice cream, optional. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. So take a large bowl, dump in your 1 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar, the 3/4 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, the 1/2 cup of sugar, and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And stir that together. Then take your 3/4 cups of milk, your 3 large eggs beaten, your 3 tablespoons of room temperature butter. I did put mine in the microwave because mine wasn't at room temperature. And the 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. And stir that until completely combined. Then take your oatmeal mixture and dump it into the pie crust. Then put it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 to 50 minutes. If it gets too brown on the crust there, you can use a silicone pie guard, or you can use aluminum foil. So we'll see you in about 45 to 50 minutes. All right, so the oatmeal pie cooked for 60 minutes. We'll let this sit and cool for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll dish up. Here is the Amish oatmeal pie. It fell apart as I was taking it out of the pan. I think it was still a little bit too warm. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Looks kind of like a pecan pie filling.
It is Amish oatmeal pie. And yeah, the filling's kind of like a pecan pie. Better than a pecan pie?
No, I can't say it's better than a pecan pie, but
You would have surprised me if you did.
I would say it's not a bad substitute if that's what you're wanting and you don't have any pecans. It's pretty darn good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.